Hi, my name's Derek with Dependable Painting, and today I just wanted to give you guys some quick tips on hanging closet shelves. I recommend using these type of brackets. That way the shelf is adjustable and it's a little sturdier in our experience. You can easily attach your wire shelving just like that, and you're good to go. I got the first one on the wall, and you want to go ahead and find the stud. The way to do that is to use a stud finder or knock, and you can see where the wall is more dense as opposed to, you can hear the difference. So most houses in the United States are framed 16 on center, and what that means is the studs are 16 inches apart. So I got my first bracket on, and we found the stud just by knocking. And I'm gonna go ahead and measure from the first bracket until I get to about 32 inches. And you can see my hole there, which is in the stud. And the way to just double check too is when you're drilling it, you can see the sawdust as opposed to only the drywall. So as long as you see the sawdust and you feel the pressure, you know that you're in the stud. Then, what you want to do is you want to go ahead, and we're just using these standard ClosetMaid shelf track screws. These are for concrete and stud mounting, and they come with the mollies, and then you can just put them directly into the wall. So once you drill your hole, you just go ahead and lightly tap that in. Perfect. And then it comes with the screw, and you can go ahead and screw it directly into the hole, like so. You know you're in the stud when your impact driver starts to catch like that. And I go ahead and use my level from bracket to bracket. We're right in the middle just to make sure my shelf stays level. Once you get all the way across, you just keep going. I'm going every 32 inches. Remember, the studs are 16 inches apart. If you're hanging a smaller shelf, you could go 16 inches apart. But this is a 12-foot shelf, so every 32 inches should be plenty, which is every 2 studs should be more than enough to support our shelf. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for the next how-to video. We're here to help, and if you'd like an estimate, feel free to give us a call. Thanks. This is Derek with Dependable Painting.